Welcome to the new XRP special analysis in the large, mobile-friendly style. We combine Berni's monthly chart, 6-month chart and weekly chart. Every support and resistance level is fully narrated in English, with no music. All paths are conditional scenarios, not trading advice. The reference price is $1.0072 on Coinbase and $1.00728 on Bitstamp. The values were checked on 13 August 2026 at approximately 12:47 Zurich time. XRP was down roughly 0.58% over 6 hours, 1.47% over 24 hours and 4.08% over 7 days. The $1 zone is therefore being tested directly. The monthly chart shows a long-term rising logarithmic fan and 2 Fibonacci clusters. Right now, the first priority is not the distant target zone, but the area between $0.9517 and $1.20. While XRP remains below $1.20, an immediate bullish regime change is not confirmed. On the 6-month chart, XRP remains inside a long-term rising channel structure. The white levels near $0.8865 and $0.7040 sit close to important historical reaction areas. A response at the lower channel boundary is possible, but a higher structure and reclaimed resistance levels are required to confirm a durable bottom. The weekly chart links the current decline with the lower region of the long-term channel. That creates a possible bottom building area from approximately $0.89 to $0.70. This is not a guaranteed bottom. A clear reaction, a higher weekly low and then a confirmed upside structure break would be required. On the downside, $1 is the first psychological threshold. Below it comes $0.9517 as the first monthly support. The next reaction level is approximately $0.8865. If that fails, $0.8309 becomes central. The full area from $0.9517 to $0.8309 is a support region, but it is not yet a confirmed bottom. Below $0.8309, the decisive lower zone runs from $0.7229 to $0.7040. A confirmed monthly close below it would materially weaken or postpone the current long-term path. If selling pressure continues, $0.55, then $0.45 to $0.37, and finally $0.29 are the deeper historical reaction levels. On the upside, XRP must first reclaim $1.20. Next come $1.40 and $1.80 as important weekly resistance levels. $1.9705 is the first major Fibonacci and structure level. This ladder becomes bullish only through confirmed closes, rising spot demand and successful retests. Above $1.9705 come $2.4732 and $3.316 for $. 3.316 for $. Is the real unlock level for a larger price discovery phase. Only a monthly close above it and a successful retest make for $0.50 to $7.50 and later $11.50 technically more relevant. The large Fibonacci corridor begins at $15.3795. The middle extension is $18.7893 and the aggressive upper target is $25.6391. These are mathematical long-term scenarios. They become technically active only after a confirmed break above 3.316 for $, a successful retest and a new monthly uptrend. For filters apply to every level. First, wait for a confirmed weekly or monthly close. Second, spot volume and momentum must support the move. Third, the retest must hold or fail clearly. Fourth, a higher low confirms bottom building more reliably than one fast price spike. In summary, XRP remains neutral to bearish below $1.20 in the short term. The first core support sequence is $0.9517, $0.8865 and $0.8309. Below it comes $0.7229 to $0.7040, then $0.55 and $0.45 to $0.37. The bullish confirmation path runs through $1.20, $1.9705, $2.4732 and $3.316 for US dollars. Only after that do the large distant targets become relevant.